So, I have landed from Canada today, and I can tell you I am very tired, but I'm back. And you can tell I'm a little bit rough, you know, been out for 2.5 weeks, and I haven't been training for those 2.5 weeks. I can tell you one thing, I was missing training. For those 2.5 weeks, I just want to be on the charts. But it was a nice break, but now I need to get back into routine. I still have a burning desire for training. You know, even though it's not giving me all the results I want and I'm not where I want to be, I still know where I will be in the future because of training. Because of the plan and, you know, the vision I've got is so strong, I wake up wanting to train, regardless whether it beats me down every day. But now I'm back, let's get into training and let's freshen it up.
I have to say it's been 4 days since I got back really, and I'm struggling. I am struggling waking up at normal time. Still adjusted to Canada. I don't know, I'm just waking up at midday every day. So training has taken quite a hit, but hey, it's just a hit for this month really. It's not going to be an exciting week, I must say, considering that I'm not getting really anything done. Sorry for a boring vlog, but yeah, I'll check back in when anything exciting really happens, I guess.
So although I haven't really been waking up and training really, I, however, am waking up before New York session, so I'm still doing my US 30 testing. So now if I take you to the charts, this trade was placed on Tuesday, and as you can see, its price has bounced off from the lows of the previous day's US and bounced off. Well, rejected it a few times, but then ultimately taking me out at my stop loss. That was that. And if we go to the paper trading, as you can see, I am testing it, and I did take the trade. There it is for, you know, 125 points. And yeah, it's unfortunate that one of the real trades since getting back was, you know, a probability loss. And yeah, and I'm sure there were many trades out there that would have given me profit. It's just that I didn't take any of them because I was away. So yeah, I do need to backtest all of the pairs from the previous week. And yeah, and I haven't done that because just haven't really been waking up and trading and having some time on the charts really. So I just got my broker statement emailed in for the month, and this is what it says. So it goes closed transactions 0, absolutely nothing. So essentially I lost nothing because guess what, I didn't take a trade this month. And well, to be fair, I was away majority of August, and the first week of August I didn't take a trade because the market didn't provide me one. And coming back, I wasn't really trading because I wasn't really in the right space and right circadian rhythm to be waking up in the morning to trade. So yeah, so as of this month, I can officially say it's a technically not a losing month. Sometimes the best trade is no trade, and yeah, you just got to know when to stay out of the market and when to be in the market. It's just unfortunate that I wasn't available to take the trades. I'm sure there were lovely opportunities, could have been a nice month, but I wasn't here. And so what, you know, if you miss trades, you miss trades. Anyway, I'll see you guys in September then.
How many feathers they pluck? Rap game like my sleeping pattern, cause how the fuck I'm still up?